Welcome to the Licensing and Registration Service. Developed by the Pesticides and Toxic Chemicals Control Board (Ptccb), this is your all-in-one platform for interacting with Ptccb's regulatory framework. In this tutorial, I will be guiding brokers through the process of creating a broker account on the platform. A broker account allows brokers to conduct business on behalf of companies that have contracted them to do so. Once your account is created, the stakeholder will be responsible for granting you access to their account and authorizing you to act on their behalf. To begin, simply select the Sign Up Here option. You will then be prompted to select a profile type. Select Broker. Next, proceed to create your account by entering the required information. As you complete the form, ensure that all required fields are filled out. Once you have completed all the required fields, click Create Your Account. After successfully completing the sign-up process, return to the main sign-in page. You may now log in using your newly created username and password to access your dashboard. You have now successfully created your account on the Ptccb's Licensing and Registration Service. This is your first step towards a more efficient and transparent licensing and registration process.